Welcome back, guys. Now this time let's create our next virtual machine, which will be the database. So click on refresh. I click on refresh, and this is ready, and it's running. If I right click on it, I could click on stop. Okay, that'll stop. It doesn't have to be on now. It doesn't need to be on at the moment. So refresh. Right. So that way we're making sure we're not wasting resources. Because remember, the longer you leave it on, the more it's taken out of that, out of the credits that we have. Okay. So now let's create another VM, which would be, or let's create another server, which would be our database. Nice and easy. Database. Or let's call it SQL server. Let's just call it SQL server. Basically, it's our database server. Right? And we leave it in the same. If we leave it in the same region, we may be having the same issue again. So we'll go back to the first place, the other one we used, which is in East. Yes, because that's at the moment where we can find resources. So moving on. Again, I'll use Windows Server 2019 database or data center, sorry. I've already picked this because it's a database and it's going to be heavy. And so from that, like I said, I will pick this and move on. Yeah, that's it, guys. So then I'll enter our same thing, database, administrator account, like I used. So yep, that'd be nice. Oops. Then get something clear here. Let me get something clear. Right, just wanted to make sure I'm not in capital letters. So. Right. Okay, made my password. Remember, I picked the region that was available to me. This is fine. What's the matter now? Oh. So I'm saying SQL. No spaces. So I just leave it as database. Or just SQL is fine. SQL altogether. Server is fine. Region done. Account set. I picked that make it more fluent and flexible because we would still make it lower anyway. This is for installation. Like I said, allow selected ports. Pick this. RDP. Yes, we need that. Moving next. Moving on. Thank you. Leave this premium SSD use everything you can. You can pick standard SSD, it doesn't matter. The payment was okay. Okay, create and attach a new disk if you want. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. 1 gig, we can expand on it later. 2 gig will be really low, so yeah, that's fine. That's the default. It's empty. Go to next. Subnet mask, fine. Nick. Management. So remember, on our management, we'll pick boot diagnostics. We remove the boot diagnostic. Scroll down. Next. It's fine. We don't have any issues with this. It's fine. Gen 1 is fine. We don't need any of that. I can just click on create, and that'll be good. As you can see, we will scroll down now and click on create, and that'll be fantastic. Lovely. Click on refresh, and that's fine. Okay, create the next one, but I'll do that in the next video. Thank you.